The Gallatin National Forest Avalanche Center issued backcountry avalanche warnings for a number of ranges. The center warns of high danger on all slopes in the Southern Madison and Southern Gallatin ranges. In addition to the Cooke City area, after these locations received more than 10 inches of heavy snow in the last 24 hours. Now, the weight of the new snow atop an unstable snowpack makes the risk of both natural and human-triggered avalanches very likely. Avalanche danger is also rated considerable for mountains around Bozeman, Big Sky, and Island Park. Those who do venture out into the backcountry to enjoy the fresh powder, be advised to exercise some caution.